Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Audi A4 Bluetooth. First, ensure your Audi A4's MMI system is powered on. Also, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile phone. For safety, always park your vehicle in a secure location before attempting to pair devices. This ensures a smooth and distraction-free setup process. Next, access the MMI system's main menu. Navigate to the TEL or phone section, which manages communication features. From there, select Setup or Settings to adjust preferences. Finally, choose Bluetooth to view available options and begin the pairing procedure for your device. Now, within the Bluetooth menu, select the option to search for New Device or Add Device. Your Audi A4 will then scan for nearby Bluetooth-enabled phones. Once your phone appears on the list, select it. A pairing code will display on both your MMI screen and your phone. Confirm they match to proceed. Finally, confirm the connection on your mobile phone when prompted. Your device should now be successfully connected to your Audi A4's MMI system. You can now enjoy the convenience of hands-free calling, safely make and receive calls, and stream your favorite audio directly through your car's speakers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.